about to do some parkour. Give me a flashlight. Like, when I tell you this game's professional...
Bro's fucking memorized by the flashlight. Boom, boom, boom. Ouch.
Come on, bitches.
Oh, my PC!
Yay, we did it. Look, we beat it.
Get in it. I want to see. Get in the machine. It's a teleporter, I think. Don't shoot me. And
My hand. I want a shot.
Oh my.
Chicken. Let's go team pet cock.
On. What the? Did it just fucking disappear? Ooh, egg. What happened to the chicken? Are you incubating? Are you incubating?
Gimme. Gimme.
Hey, I found this cool plate. Oh, I'm hungry. It has tomato sauce on it.
Eat the dinner.
I love tomato
Spaghetti.
Come here.
Spaghetti. Spaghetti.
See this? I'm about to eat my 5-course dinner. Okay? This meal will change. Chicken noodle soup. This is so cool. It's so amazing. Oh dear! Oh dear! I was shaking it.
Yeah.
Why must you be so mean? Why must you be so mean?
I have an apple for
Why
you.
must you be so mean?
No, I have an apple for you. I have an apple.
Why must you be so mean?
I
Oh,
have
an apple?
Yeah, look, it's an apple.
Yay! That's so cool. Yeah. Oh. Oh,
Shit, I only got 7.
Wait, there's a blue light. There's a blue light. I think that's the exit. There's a blue light. I need to get my bag. We gotta go this way.
Hey. Yay. I can feel my ass.
Where the hell is this? The back rooms?
Yeah.
Oh, it's a dildo.
Plunger. Sticky.
That was up my ass.
Sticky up. Sticky.
That was on my ass.
Plunger. Oh my VR.
Oh. At least I can eat my apple.